Hello friends, welcome to unlistedzone.live. In this video, we are quickly discuss how to buy shares and how to sell shares from unlistedzone.live. So let us start. So before I tell you what is the process of buying and selling, we just want to tell you one thing, that whenever you are registering yourself in the platform, we are assuming that you should read the privacy policy, disclaimer and terms of use very carefully. All these documents are available on the website unlistedzone.live, and you should read all these documents to get the picture of how this website works and what is the data that we are taking from your end. And whenever you are registering yourself in the system, we are assuming that you have read all these policies. So once you read all these policies, then we'll move to the another slide. Now, how to buy unlisted shares from unlistedzone.live. So before you place a buy order, two prerequisites are required. One, a verified unlistedzone.live account. Whenever you are registering yourself into unlistedzone.live, you need to provide us three important documents: your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your client master copy. So once we receive all these documents, our team from the backend will verify all the documents, and once all the documents are correct, we will give you the notification email saying your account has been verified, and now you can come to the system and start buying and selling. Second prerequisite is 10% margin. Means whenever you are placing a buy order, you require at least 10% margin into the system. For example, you are purchasing shares worth rupees 1 lakh. So you require at least 10,000 rupees in your unlistedzone.live account, so that you can purchase those shares. So these are the two prerequisites. Now what is the process? So once the two prerequisites met, you go to the my order, you select the share you want to purchase, you select the price at which you want to purchase, then the number of quantity you want to purchase, and submit your order into the system. The order will go into the moderation state. Our team from the backend will verify that okay, everything is correct. They will make the order live. Once the order becomes live, it will go into the marketplace. How to sell unlisted shares? For selling unlisted shares, the only prerequisite is you need a verifiable unlistedzone.live account. We have already discussed when we were explaining how to buy unlisted shares, that you require to register into the system. Once you register into the system and all your documents are verified, just log in into the system and put a sell order. In case of selling the shares, no margin is required. Again, you need to go to the my order menu, place your order, which share you want to sell, at what price you want to sell, and how much quantity you want to sell. Submit your order into the system. Order will go into moderation state. Our team from the backend will verify that everything is correct. They will make the order live. Once the order becomes live, it will come into the marketplace. Now, what is the process? We have explained you how one can place a buy order, how one can place a sell order. Now, how buying and selling is happening. So this is the 5-step process. In the first step, you place buy or sell order from my order menu. That we have already explained you how you can place a buy or sell order. Step 2, unlistedzone.live team makes it live after due diligence and order appear in marketplace. That second step we have already explained. When you put a buy or sell order, it will go in moderation state. From our team from the backend, we verify it, and once it is verified, it becomes live. And once it has become live, it will come into the marketplace. Step 3, interested member place counter orders. See, once the order comes into the marketplace, whether it's a buy order, whether it's a sell order, all these orders will be visible to all the users that are logged into the system. So depending upon whether they want to buy or whether they want to sell, they can place a counter orders, right? Now I will explain you how the matching will happen from the backend. There is a buyer who wants to buy shares. There is a seller who wants to sell his shares. From the backend, we'll match this deal. Now, once the deal is matched, we'll call the buyer, we'll take the money, we'll call the seller, we'll take the share, and then we'll set up the deal. But we need to understand one point here is, whenever we are getting money from the buyer, we'll add 1% commission, and whenever you are giving money to the seller, we'll subtract 1% commission from that. So in this process, we'll take 1% commission from buyer and 1% commission from seller for setting up the deal. And you need to understand that all the deals will happen at the back end from unlistedzone.live account. Means the buyer will put money in our account, the seller will put the shares in our account, and we'll match the deal. So that is how the process of buying and selling will happen from the back end through unlistedzone.live. Now, why unlistedzone.live is 100% risk free? See, whenever you are coming to this platform, you are placing a buy order or you are placing a sell order, everything is going through unlistedzone.live. The buyer don't have to worry about the money, the seller don't have to worry about the shares, because I've seen that in the market a lot of frauds are happening. The people are transferring the money, then the broker, they are not giving the shares to them, or somebody has transferred shares in the broker account, they are not giving the money to them. So a lot of risk is there in the market. So in order to make every transaction risk free, you can come to the unlistedzone.live. You can set up all the deals. From unlistedzone.live, we'll make ensure that you will get your shares and the seller will get his money without any problem. Second, we have a dedicated team. Whenever you are coming to the system and you face any query, you can call to us. We have the WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us. We have the support email. You can email to us, and our dedicated team will resolve all your issues. Third is a trusted name, right? Unlistedzone.live is not new. It's the same system which is being managed by UnlistedZone. So this whole system, unlistedzone.live, is managed by a professional team. So you don't have to worry about all the problems that are there in the market. So hope you understand the process, how buying and selling is happening in the system. And if you have any query, you can contact us. Thank you very much.